How to change multi-guest layout on TikTok Live. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, you want to open the TikTok app on your device. Now tap on the plus icon and then go to the live section. Once you're here, tap on the go live button to go live on TikTok. Whenever you have multi-guests on TikTok Live, you have the option to change the layout. As you can see, I have the panel layout now. If you want to change this, simply tap on the multi-guest icon at the bottom of your screen. Then from here, you want to tap on the gear icon. Now on the settings, you have the option of layout. As you can see, I'm on panel mode. If you want to change this, simply tap on the grid mode. And now as you can see, the grid mode has been enabled, and this is how you can change multi-guest layout on TikTok Live. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.